welcome to our class of information technology for class 10. Today we are going to discuss about the marks distribution of our class, the paper information technology 402. So let us have a look about our paper under marks distribution. Our paper information technology 402 session 2020-21 for class 10. The whole paper is divided into unit wise in three main units, that is para A, para B, part A, part B, and part C. The part A, which is employability skills, which is again divided into different units. There are 5 units, and the whole course that we are going to discuss about part A contains 10 marks. So this part A is divided into the 5 units. Unit 1, that is communication skills. Expected hours that can be used to discuss this communicative skill is 10, and the whole part A unitely will cover 10 marks in the question paper. So the unit 1 is communication skills. Unit 2, that is self management skills. It is also assumed that this unit 2 may be covered in 10 hours. The third one is information and communication technology skills. 10 classes are also 10 hours are also being assumed for this third unit. The fourth one is entrepreneurial skills, 15 hours. We expect that 15 hours may be taken to discuss this topic. And the fifth one is brain skills, 5 hours can be used to discuss this unit 5. So the total hours used to discuss the whole part A is 50. Approximately 50 hours can be used to discuss the part A, and the whole marks, that is 10. Weightage 10 will be in the whole question from the part A. The second part is vocational skills. As we know that our paper information technology, that is 402, is a vocational paper, is a skill paper. So the main part of our course is vocational skills. The part B is also divided in unit wise, but here we see that the theory periods, practical periods, and marks, three things we will consider. The first unit 1, that is web applications basics. Basics means we will learn the basics of the web applications in detail. When we will cover the course, then we will see how we know about the basics of web applications. Assumed theory periods is 8 periods may be utilized to discuss this topic, and assumed practical periods are 10. So 7 marks from this section will be asked in the question paper. Second unit is unit 2, word processing intermediate. The word processing, that is MS Word or any word processing packages from OpenOffice org or from Microsoft Office word processing. This is intermediate course. This means we have learned the basics of word processing in previous class. So in this class we will learn the intermediates of the word processing packages. Theory 8 periods will be utilized to discuss the word processing packages, and 20 periods needs to clear the doubts and other things of this paper. 20 periods may be utilized in practicals, and the weightage marks is 8. The third unit is spreadsheet. This is also intermediate. As we know that we have also learned spreadsheet package in 9th class also, previous class also. So here we can see that theory periods is expected that 3 more periods may be utilized to discuss spreadsheets, because many options and in detail when we go through the topics of the spreadsheet, maybe more periods can be used to discuss the spreadsheet packages. Practical, same as the word processing packages, 20 periods will be used to discuss in practical, and the marks weightage is also same. as of word processing package. The fourth unit is digital presentation, intermediate. Digital presentation means we can make presentations through MS Office also, OpenOffice org also. So digitally we have to make presentations. We have to discuss the topics over the presentation. The theory periods may be utilized to discuss the digital presentation in 8 periods may be used, and practical periods 25 periods may be used to discuss this topic, and the marks weightage is 6. Another, that is unit 5, email messaging. Email messaging, we have learned earlier some email messaging in previous classes also. We know the concept of email messaging, what is email. So we will also learn here in intermediate email messaging, and 5 theory periods may be utilized to discuss email messaging in the classroom, and 10 practicals, 10 practical periods may be used to discuss email messaging system. 4 marks can be in the question paper from this section. The section unit 6, that is database management, database development basics. This is the main paper, I think so, because we will learn how to develop a database. We will have the concepts about the database, basics of the database. So theory periods may be used, 10 periods may be used in this unit also, and practical periods 15 periods may be utilized to discuss the whole process of database development, and 7 marks, the weightage of marks is 7 from this unit. So total here we see that 50 theory periods and 100 practical periods are used, or can be used. 50 periods and 100 practical periods may be implemented to discuss part 3. So we will discuss the part B in very detail, and 40 marks will be the question paper will be asked the question from this section. The 40 marks, 10 marks from part A, and 40 marks from part B. So here the theory paper, we know that our course is divided into parts. The theory parts is of 50 marks. Here we can see that part A 10 marks and part B is of 40 marks. Total here the marks covered in these two parts are 50 marks. Again, the rest 50 marks will be from the practical work. So here part C, that is practical work, 50 marks will be covered from this. So grand total periods, we have a look on the overlook total marks, that is theory 50, practical 50, and the weightage of 4 question marks is 100. So in this way, the whole examination will be conducted. The annual exam and other examination procedures will be followed in a yearly annual. So we will discuss all the things, keeping in mind the marks and the periods as in. So thank you.